would have never thought I would be this obsessed. This is so freaking pretty. What is up, you guys? My name is Lauren Nicole, and welcome back to my channel.
Die for me, nigga. I'm damn near perfect.
For today's video, we are going to be doing a sponsored video. Going to be sponsored by Luvme Hair. They have decided to send me some hair, so without further ado, before we get on to the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on my socials, as well as hit that notification bell. We are pushing towards 10,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right on to the video. They have sent me some hair, and it came in this really nice box. You take it off, and the hair came in this bag. They sent me a little note. It says, enjoy your hair journey. They put the hair in this bag. I'm not sure how long this hair is, but so far so good. It's super thick, really full. I cannot wait to play around with this. The way the wig comes, it has a Velcro tie. You can make it tighter or make it more loose, however which way you want. And this is what the inside looks like, and we're about to style this bad boy. It comes in the box because there is more stuff. Headbands. I have a lot of crisscross headbands. They send you a rainbow one, there's a pink one, here is a gray one, a yellow one. They give you a wig cap, of course, you know, flyer. Just tells you everything about the hair, probably how to wash it, return and refund information and all that. They also give you this cute bag. They gave us some goodies. Edge control brush, really cute clip. It says love me. Some hairpins. Oh, they even gave you some tweezers. They give you tweezers and an edge wrap and a really cute bag. So I'm really liking everything so far. I'm gonna go wash the hair real quick and I will be right back. Y'all better get into it. I kind of just like it like this. Pink. Okay. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna be right back. Never tried Kinky wigs. This just made me want them a whole lot more. Like, I can't imagine what this would look like in 30 inches. Middle is cute, but I think I'm gonna do a side part to it this way. So you definitely gotta play with it because of course it is kinky hair. So that's what I like about this also. You can just touch it up. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I would have never thought I would be this obsessed. This is so freaking pretty. That is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys go check out Luvme hair. I really love this hair, like hands down. Like this is vacation. Make sure you guys go check out this company. We'll put the link down below of where exactly I got the hair from. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I cannot wait to get to 10,000 subscribers. Without further ado, go ahead and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.